What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial where I show you exactly how you can make $15 or a lot more an hour just by simply listening to music. Honestly, I can almost guarantee you've never seen the exact strategy I'm about to show you, so make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss anything. Also, if you stay towards the end on this video, I'm going to show you a bonus that can make you even more money online. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into the video. All right, welcome to my computer. So the way this strategy is going to work is by using a website called Playlist Push. All right, so what they do is they connect artists to playlist curators. So that's like the terminology for what we're going to be doing. But really, if we click I own playlists, it says earn money by listening and reviewing songs. So what we're going to be doing is we're basically going to be creating playlists on Spotify using other people's music and getting followers and then getting paid to review songs. It's very simple. So basically, you listen to music and you get paid. So they used to say, like if we go to for curators, it used to have an amount, like you need 400 followers before you can apply. But now it's just saying basically you need real followers. So maybe you still need 400, but they're not saying that. And then qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song. So it's much more than $15 per hour. And then instant payouts, request a payout and we pay directly to your bank account. I believe they also pay to PayPal. And then basically what you're doing is you're supporting indie artists, you're helping new up and coming artists by providing feedback on their music, and you can discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. Right? So you can actually make a lot of money just by adding music that isn't even yours to playlists. The thing that people get stuck on, just like with business in general, is getting people to see it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that the right way. And I'm going to show you a few different ways to do it. So just keep watching and you'll discover how to do all this. But before we even get followers to a playlist, you may not even know what Spotify is or how to create a playlist. So what Spotify is it's just like a streaming platform for music, podcasts, all that stuff. It's actually insanely cool because it's free. You can get a paid plan, but I just use the free one. And right here, this is a YouTuber I know. He's also a Twitch streamer. He created a playlist and it's all music he owns. So it's not like what we're going to be doing, but this is just kind of interesting because you can see right here, 25,000 likes. That's the same as followers. If we go over to the actual app for Spotify right here, you can see right here he has 25,000 followers, 25,770, 25,770. So this is the actual desktop player. And this is the app. I suggest getting the app because it's a little easier. I'll show you why. But before we do anything, let me just log out quick. You'll come to a page like this once it loads. And then what I personally did is I just continued with Facebook. You can do it however you want. You can sign up, doesn't matter. So then you can come to a place like this, or you might have to click go to the desktop player or whatever. So what we're going to be doing, although it's super cool what he did, I personally, with the strategy we're going to be doing, I would rather create a playlist like this. So let's go over here. Like for example, if we type in rap right here, all right, and then we scroll down and then for playlists right here, like a rap workout, or we could do like rap indie. You want to add something at the end of it to make it more than just rap, because rap, it's too broad, right? So you got to do something like rap workouts for lifting weights even. You want to be more narrow and you want to be very specific with it, okay? That way, when you're applying to this website, they know that when someone who does rap music that kind of has like a higher, like a more energy to it, if that makes sense, they'll be like, oh, this guy's perfect or this girl's perfect for it because they have this playlist, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new playlist right here. And we'll call it rap workouts for lifting weights, we'll call it. Something like that. So, and then you always want to use a description. You could be like, this is the perfect playlist with rap and hip hop music that will help you dominate the weights while working out. So you can see dominate the lift, the weight, the weightlifting, not lift weighting. We'll do the weightlifting. So the reason I can't type. So the reason we use these things like music, rap, hip hop, and then weightlifting and working out, those are what's called keywords. This is going to help you show up when people type in these keywords, okay? Now, after that, you want to create an image, okay? So we'll just hit create real quick. And this is why you want to use this rather than this. So if I refresh this page and I go to our playlist, we can't edit this. I don't know if there's a way to do it, but as far as I'm concerned, you can't do it right here. So we're just going to do it here. Okay, so you want to edit the image. And there's a few ways to do that. Okay, so you want to go to Canva and you can do it for free. But if you're not very good with graphics and you don't want to do it yourself, the easiest way would be to go to fiverr.com. And then what you would do is you would just type in playlist cover for Spotify. And you can see right here, I will create a professional playlist cover for Spotify, $5, okay? And they're probably gonna be much better than you or me would ever do. So that's what I would do personally. And then you're done with that. You have your playlist created, you have your cover. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the app right here. I'll make this bigger. Hopefully you can see everything. But they give you recommended songs right here that you can add. So let's just add a couple of these. And you can see it automatically makes your cover what the artist is right there. So you could use that, but you want a custom one. You want to stick out, okay? So what I would do personally is you could add a couple of these if you want, but what I would do is I would go up to search and I would type in rap workouts. And then I would go to playlists right here and hit see all. And you could also just like perfect, look at this, rap workout, lifting and running in parentheses or whatever. You could just copy these people. Because what you can do is click on this and then literally you could go right here and then hold shift, click that and then hold shift. I mean, you maybe don't want all these songs, but you could just take all those after holding shift and clicking. You see how these are highlighted now? You hold them and then you drag them over into our playlist, okay? So you see what I'm talking about? He has playlist covers and then he just has rap workout. So that's basic. He probably made this in Canva. Okay, so that's exactly what you could do. And then you see right now we have all those songs in this playlist. And you want to right click this and make sure that it's like, if it's secret, it'll say make secret and then it'll say make public. You want to make sure that it's public, okay? That way other people can find it. Now, what's the easiest way to start getting followers? And specifically, on this website, on Playlist Push, they specifically say real followers. And if you click sign me up, you can say followers must be real, organic, not bot. Okay, so there's a few things you can do. Obviously, you can buy them. And this is obviously not what you should do. And I don't know if Fiverr is legit when you say, I want to buy followers, like if they'll get them for you organic. I would not do that. People show things like Fiverr and SocioBlend or whatever, and you can click Spotify here. And you should never buy followers, never buy likes, never do sub for sub on YouTube, just to kind of put that out there. It just doesn't work, right? Even if you get followers, it's just a metric. It's a vanity metric. No one from those followers are going to watch you. And a lot of the time, they're fake. They're robots, right? So you could see here, you could buy 500 followers for $17, but it's just like they're probably robots. They're not going to even listen to the music. And chances are they have a way of checking this. I don't know how that works specifically, but let's just say to not use those two. All right. So now, this is the other page I had open before I close out of it. I just wanted to show you it. Do you make money from people listening to your Spotify playlist? And this is what came up. Yes, you can make money from making Spotify playlists. In fact, there's a growing market for playlist curators from end users. Think restaurants and businesses with physical locations. And from the music business side, think labels and indeed the streaming platform, Spotify themselves. And obviously you can read more about this, but this is legit. People make real money from this. And I mean, people actually, like, I don't know if you've ever heard of like doing a shout out on Instagram, like you pay an influencer and they promote your product. People will pay you to put their song on your playlist. So that's basically what the curator website Playlist Push does for you, but people will also reach out to you as well. So there's many ways to make money besides just that. This is just one of the ways. So I just wanted to be clear about that. This is actually legit. But now, like the legit ways to get followers, there's plenty of ways, okay? So the main way people usually talk about, which is a good way, is Reddit. Okay, so if we go to reddit.com and you type in Spotify, you can see the subreddit right here, r/Spotify. And this is where you can share your playlist with other people and you can actually do like exchanges, things like that, right? So that's one of the ways, Spotify playlists or Spotify on Reddit. Okay, that's a good way. I think another good way that no one really talks about is Facebook. And this isn't talking about growing your own platform on Facebook, although that's one of the strategies I'll talk about in a second. But if we just type in right here, Spotify playlist, and then we go over here to groups, look at Spotify playlist, Spotify trades and playlist, Spotify playlist promotion, Spotify sharing, etc., right? So this is a good way to just join these groups, other people's groups, take advantage of the work they did to build their audience and do that. Right? But overall, those ways, I mean, they're good. You should do them. Definitely. Not the buying of followers. Don't do that. But these ways are legit. The best way for getting followers on Spotify and making money online is by growing your own audience. And unfortunately, a lot of people, they're like afraid of doing this for whatever reason. Okay? I'm not saying I wasn't afraid when I started, but I pushed through it, right? But I talked to so many people, they just want to be behind the scenes and spend a little bit of money on ads. That's just not a business, right? Like if you're buying ads on Facebook, Facebook can shut you down at any time, right? And sure, Facebook could go away the next day, but if you connect with your followers on Facebook or connect with your friends on Facebook, you have an audience now who knows, likes, and trusts you. Right? So right now, if I posted on Facebook, if I posted on YouTube and I was like, hey, I got this awesome new playlist that I listen to when I'm doing work for my business. All of my friends are entrepreneurs, most of them, and they'd be like, yeah, I'll listen to that. Chances are they'd follow, right? So that's the power by building an audience, as well as building an email list. Okay, I have almost 2,000 people on my email list. I have 50,000 people on TikTok. I have 7,000 on YouTube. Growing an audience is the number one way to grow your business in 2020 and beyond. All right, that's just hands down. It's the truth. You got to think of it as the long-term game. Sure, you can get followers these other ways, but really, if you want a real business to make real money online, that's how you got to do it. And it's not like it's super hard to grow an audience or grow an email list. You do need certain automation tools, which there's actually a brand new program. It's an all-in-one hybrid marketing platform where you can get automation tools and they're all built in for one low price. So if that's confusing at all to you, go to the second link in the description and check out that program because that will give you all the automation tools you need. And truly, that's really all you need to like grow a business and grow an audience is to just not give up and have the proper training and tools. That's all it is. And after you hit like, I'd say 200, 300, 400 followers on Spotify, all you do is you go back to Playlist Push and then you sign up as a curator right here, okay? So you put where you live, your country, and then you select how many followers you have, all right? So it's very simple. But now I know that curating playlists on Spotify and making money listening to music from Playlist Push is not for everyone, okay? I get that. And that's why I told you that there was a bonus at the end that can make you even more money online, okay? So this is the program that I personally use in my own business and changed everything for me. So if you go down into the description, you'll see something that says the program that makes me $1,000 affiliate commissions, okay? So what affiliate means is it's an affiliate marketing program, okay? So there's a few reasons why this is so powerful, right? So you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to deal with customer service, nothing like that. And the most amazing part is I'm able to earn passive income while I'm sleeping. But this isn't any affiliate marketing. This is high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So I'm able to earn $1,000 and even higher with one sale. And the best part about this program is, yes, you can promote it and earn $1,000 commissions and higher, right? But they also teach you the right way to do it, right? Like you have to have the marketing skills and the tools that I told you about, but there's ways to do it very inexpensive. And as long as you're learning how to market, you'll be good. Your business will never fail, and that's what they teach you. All right. And you can get started for just $7. And all you got to do is click the link below that and you can get access to it. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell too if you've not done so already. And if you don't like any of those strategies I just showed you, just click one of these two money-making strategies right here. Thanks again for watching and till next time.